Hello, Snibs! Good morning, the sun's... Hi, friends! Today we're learning good habits. Come on, let's go! Let's learn about this. Brushing teeth and washing hands, sharing, cleaning up and saying please. Good habits, that's the key. Time to brush our teeth. 2 whole minutes. Brush, 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 from side to side. Top and bottom, don't you hide. 2 whole minutes, front smile, now that's a fact. Rinse it out. All clean.
Look at that, a sparkly grin. Brushing teeth helps health begin.
We brushed our teeth. Hooray for us! Before we eat, let's wash our hands. Wet your hands and add some soap. Rub and scrub, we've got the hope. 20 seconds, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rinse and shine. Rinse and dry, hands squeaky clean. Clean hands, yay for us! It is a beautiful day in the garden. Let's play together in the garden. Oh! There's only one truck. Sharing, sharing, that's so kind. Take a turn, you'll always find. And one for you, and one for me. Sharing makes us happy. Whee!
Mia and Leo love sharing.
Half for you, half for me.
Buddy is waiting for a crumb.
Sharing's fun, hooray for us! Whoa, time to clean up!
And so, everyone pitched in to help.
Blocks in the box, books on the shelf.
What a tidy shelf!
Welcome to the playroom, little ones. Clean up, 1, 2, 3. Every toy has its own home, see? Good job, buddy! There you go, Teddy. Now our room looks great. By ourselves. All tidy now. Hooray for us. May I have some juice, please? Magic words, so small and sweet.
wants a snack?
I do, Mommy. Here you go. Thank you so much. Remember to always use your best manners. Please and thank you. Quite a treat. Can I have a turn, please? Thank you. Kind words, kind words. Hooray for us. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time. Let's practice our good habits today. This is so much fun. I love sharing my toys. See you next time.
Good habits, every single day. Good habits, that's the way.